Need a refreshing boost in the hot summer heat? Here's how to make a cooling mist spray for hot weather, your latest Ayurvedic tip for summer. And the best part, it's easy, cost effective, and has some really good side benefits instead of side effects. So not only is this a great little self-care for mom's boost, it's also a great way to involve your teen or preteen as a fun little essential oil seasonal ritual. So here it is. Get ready to make this one with me. You're going to need a spray bottle. Normally I prefer glass, but for outside use at the beach, I like the good quality plastic ones. And then you need some cooling essential oils. We're going to be using spearmint essential oil, eucalyptus, and ylang ylang essential oil. Okay, let's get started. Step number one is to add our essential oils. This is a small bottle, so this is the On Guard hand sanitizer that I've just rinsed out and taken off the label. And so it's a 30 ml jar. So if I'm using a larger jar, I'll use 5 drops each, but for this small jar, 2 drops is plenty in here. So spearmint essential oil number 1 is cooling, it's energizing, it actually supports some head tension and focus, all those great things, but mainly it's cooling for this one, right? So that's number 1. Number 2 is eucalyptus. Another oil that has a cooling effect. It's restorative in nature, it's healing, it's known as the oil of wellness. So it's a great one for your skin and for just all those summer heat effects that we can have going on. And then the next one is ylang ylang essential oil, which is moisturizing. Again, it's cooling in nature, it's calming, and it's supportive for some hormonal balance. So here's stepping into a few of our side benefits with these ones. Okay, so once you add those, and that's just 2 drops each of all of those ones, just keep it nice and simple, keep it even. Then we're going to top it up with some water. You can add a little bit of aloe or witch hazel to this as well. I like to keep it simple, especially for my cooling sprays, because quite often I'm spritzing them on over clothes and I don't want to have any residue. Oops, I overfilled that one a little bit. Okay, and then just putting your topper on, and there we go. You can give it a little mix before you use it and then spritz it on to enjoy your day. So the intention for this cooling spray is as a cooling spray for hot weather, right? But you can also use this as a cooling spray for hot flashes. So it's a natural hormone support. So give us a thumbs up if you found this one helpful. Hit subscribe to get notified when the next Ayurvedic Tip for Summer video is released. And if you don't have everything that you need to make this, you can check on the link in the description, and it's also in the comments, for a little kit that includes those cooling essential oils and my favorite little spray bottle for this one. So comment below if you're going to try this, and enjoy that hot summer days with your new little mister. Namaste.